Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for Southern Smothered Pork Chops. For this recipe, you'll need thick cut bone-in pork chops, salt and pepper, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, yellow onion, minced garlic, butter, chicken stock, heavy cream, Worcestershire sauce, and Cajun seasoning. Begin by slicing the onions and setting them aside. Then season both sides of the pork chops with salt and pepper. Next, dredge all sides of the pork chops and set them aside. While the pork chops are resting, heat the oil over medium-high in a cast iron skillet. Work in batches depending on the size of your skillet, and pan fry the pork chops for about 4 minutes on each side or until browned. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Set the pork chops aside again, scrape up all the brown bits, and add the onions to the skillet, sauteing until browned and softened. Now, add the minced garlic to the skillet and continue sauteing for another 1 to 2 minutes, then push the onions and garlic to the side. Add the Worcestershire sauce and melt the butter in the empty side of the skillet and whisk in the flour. Let the flour cook and absorb the butter, then start stirring in the onions until they are fully coated. Now, slowly pour in the chicken stock and continue to stir until a thick gravy starts to form. Stir in the Cajun seasoning, reduce the heat to medium-low, and then start to incorporate the heavy cream. Once the cream is fully incorporated, add the pork chops back to the skillet, cover, and simmer for about 30 minutes or until the pork chops are tender and read a temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Southern Smothered Pork Chops turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.